This is a revision video for P4a Electrostatics and the dangers of static electricity. When you rub certain types of insulating materials together, they can become charged. Insulating materials can be charged with positive charge or negative charge. If two objects have an opposite charge, they will attract each other. If two objects have the same charge, they will repel each other. The positive and negative charges are caused by the material either losing or gaining electrons. Electrons are negatively charged, so if they are rubbed off the material, like in the acetate rod, then that rod is left with an overall positive charge and the cloth is left with a negative charge. If electrons are transferred onto the rod, as in the polythene rod, then the polythene rod will become negatively charged and the cloth will be left with an overall positive charge. This can only happen with insulating materials as there is nothing to conduct the charge away. Conductors, like metals, allow charge to move freely. Insulators, however, like the polythene rod, allow the charge to build up. This can be dangerous and result in an electrostatic shock. Static electricity can be dangerous. When a charge is transferred between two objects, a spark can jump across the gap between them. This spark can have a high temperature and can cause an explosion where flammable gases or vapours are being used. Charges can also be dangerous to you. If you become charged and then touch a conductor which is connected to the earth, the charge on you will be discharged very quickly through the conductor, and this will give you an electrostatic shock. If another object has become charged and you touch it, the charge will flow through you to the earth, also giving you an electrostatic shock. Static electricity is also responsible for lightning. Static electricity builds up on clouds. A lightning bolt happens when a very large amount of the charge flows very quickly to the earth. If a lightning bolt strikes you, it could kill you. You can reduce the chance of electrostatic discharge by connecting the object to the earth through a conductor. This means that instead of the charge building up on the object, it can flow through the conductor to the earth. If the charge can't build up in the first place, then there will be no danger of electrostatic discharge. This is important when refueling large vehicles that contain flammable gases or liquids. They must be connected to the earth before the substance is loaded or unloaded. That way, there will be no chance of an electrostatic charge building up. You can also buy anti-static liquids, sprays and cloths that all contain something that will conduct electricity and prevent the build-up of charge. Some fabric conditioners contain a chemical that coats clothing with a thin layer that will conduct charge. Therefore, you don't get any electrostatic charge built up on your clothes. Now pause the video and have a go at these questions.